Martial arts mats and athletic mats are meant to be a safe space, but over time, sweat, skin cells, and foot traffic create the perfect breeding ground for bacteria and fungi. What you can't see could be putting your students at risk. We tested a high-traffic jiu-jitsu mat using professional contact plates to measure the microbial load. The results showed widespread contamination before cleaning, and in some cases, light mopping can actually spread bacteria across the surface instead of removing it. A mix of bacteria and fungus that can survive on surfaces for days. Then we cleaned it professionally using our multi-step mat cleaning system. First, we vacuumed to remove dry soil and debris. Then we pre-sprayed and mechanically scrubbed using a counter-rotating brush machine to lift grime from the mat texture. We followed with microfiber pad extraction and finished with an application of a hospital-grade disinfectant designed for athletic surfaces. After cleaning, we retested the mats using the same method. The difference is clear. Effective mat cleaning doesn't just look better, it protects your athletes and preserves your reputation. Skin infections are one of the most common reasons athletes miss training. Staph, ringworm, athlete's foot. These aren't just gross. They can cause gym dropouts, bad reviews, and even liability issues. Recurring mat cleaning helps prevent infections, protect your brand, and show your community that you care. Most gym owners are surprised at how affordable it is, especially compared to a single lost membership. Get a free quote today. Sno-King Quality Cleaning, 206-801-0161, or scan the QR code to get started. Now booking recurring mat cleaning and full gym sanitization programs.